Oh, wow.
Felt pretty good.
Yeah. It's been cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel familiar?
Yep.
Yeah, it's pulling a bit short on that right side still, about 1/4 inch or so.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Chin up slightly.
Oh, wow.
This ankle's a little crunchy.
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
Your legs are completely even.
Woo.
Can you feel your heels now?
Yeah, I can feel them.
Nice. Well, I know the pinky one was subluxated. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Wow, you can turn a lot better than during the exam, that's
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah. There's still a little bit, but it's a lot better than what it was.
You still feel it?
Yeah.
Right in this area here.
Just in that like one area, but
And it's going to take a few adjustments for
Yeah.
the area to loosen up too. So, but your range of motion is a lot
it's a
better.
ton better. Driving. Oh, I can check my blind spots now.
Did you ever have wrist adjusted before?
No, actually.
How was the exam this morning?
Exam was great. You guys went super in depth and everything. Multiple x-rays, balance tests, and a couple other things I've never had before. Like the muscle test where you guys read the muscle, everything and all that.
So tell us a little bit about what's going on with your neck.
I've had a neck injury in 2021 and it's caused constant soreness and pain and flare-ups, and currently completely stiffed where I'm just turning my body to see anything. Driving's really fun, trying to check the blind spots like
All right, Nicole, so neck looks like it's moving better. Why don't you stand up and see how everything else is moving.
Wow, yeah. Tons better.
That hip adjustment was pretty big.
Yeah.
Very satisfying, that's for sure.
It was very crunchy.